Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. Today we will be analyzing three cryptocurrencies, Ethereum, Waves and Tron. Please subscribe to our channel if you want us to keep releasing technical analysis for free. Let's start our first analysis with Ethereum against US dollar. Today, 14th of August 2020, Ethereum is gaining almost the 8% at 420 US dollar. As you can see here, early in May the 3rd, I've been publishing a post and I've also published on YouTube. This one has been published on tradingview.com, where I've been stating Ethereum will be along in June. Now, if we zoom in, if we go in and we check what I've been writing on TradingView and reporting also on YouTube, we can see what I was predicting in May. So that was the situation in May, okay, and actually I found the cyclicity, okay, so a big cycle which can be divided into two small ones, okay. So this was the scenario in May, where I've been stating that Ethereum would have been a big long in June, and so let's see what happened right afterwards, and let's see if I was right or not. So exactly what happened after June, mid-June, as you can see here. So 8th of June, from mid of June, so between the 13th and here where in July we've experienced a movement strong up. Actually, luckily I was right. So why I was predicting this movement up, this the beginning of a strong uptrend, and I've been stating so many times, I do believe the uptrend will be lasting at least until this period, okay. So we are talking about between February and April, if not May 2021. And the reason is because of these symmetrical cycles and also because of volumes. As you can see here, two huge volumes, which actually created a barrier to the descending phase. So when we experience a descending phase, a downtrend, like in this case, and then we see a point of control, okay, one and two spikes in volume and another spike here, it means that we should be expecting a retrace. It means that actually big hands came in place in order to create a barrier to the movement downwards, and from here we have experienced a movement up. Now let's talk about price targets. I'm still stuck with my previous price targets. I've been stating that actually in one of my previous videos on here on YouTube, I've been stating that we are going to hit 400 US dollar, and again, even in this case, I was right. Now, what is happening right now is that the price is fighting with the 400 barrier, where we see this actually X horizontal support in this case, but which is right now an horizontal resistance, but with an increase in volumes. I've been stating that we need to experience a huge increase in volumes in order to break above this barrier. I do believe we are going to be, and we will be successful, okay. So which means we should be expecting now Ethereum skyrocketing till the next target. My next target, as been stating so many times, is 800 US dollar. From here we should be expecting a small retrace, and then Ethereum will be attacking the all-time high. Now if we switch to the logarithmic scale, we can have a better idea, better scenario, better view of what we should be expecting over the next weeks. And as you can see here, we have clearly broken above this level, okay. So now we are fighting with the 400 US dollar threshold, and then again here this will be the realistic level, 800 US dollar. But now, as you can see here, we have a few higher lows, and now we are creating a higher high, which means we are creating an ascending channel. Here as well we have a huge spike in volumes, okay, as you can see here, and again now the increase in terms of percentage, the increase in terms of growth is supported by volumes. So the 1000 US dollar threshold is really close, more close than we should be expecting. So now let's move on and let's analyze waves. And why waves is the reason is because I was keeping an eye on this asset, and this morning while I was mirroring, I was watching the top cryptocurrencies, I realized that actually we're inside a huge spike in volumes. As you can see here, I've detected a huge spike in volumes with a long white candle. This is a super bull signal for us. So I do believe here we have a bullish divergence if we analyze the MACD, while we have a lower low, we have experienced a higher low in terms of MACD. Now the blue curve is above the orange one, which is another bullish signal. Again, in terms of cryptocurrency world, I've been bullish over the last 2 months. I've been stating in my previous video that the bull trend, I do believe, has started early in May. So we are inside the bull trend already. This is the third month of the current bull trend. So now, in terms of waves, very first target will be around 450. But the real target will be at 100% more, so around here, this level where we see those tails, so around 8 US dollar, which means we should be gaining at least 150%, okay, from the current levels. So waves seems to be a great opportunity, a great investment opportunity, and as well, as I've been stating so many times, we're going to reach these levels really soon, because we know the potentiality, how strong are the cryptocurrencies and how fast are they in moving towards our targets. Let's analyze the last one, which is Tron. And even in terms of Tron, I do believe we are going to realize a 100% profit over the next weeks. Here we have a weekly chart for, sorry, a monthly chart for Tron against US dollar. As you can see here, we have again a point of control, and we will see it better when we will switch to the other chart that I have here. Now let's move on to the price targets. Now we have space until this area where we see all these days. Normally, when this happens, very soon the asset reaches these targets. So where we have all these days and where we have this even long doji, so we are going to test definitely 0.029 really soon. I do believe in 1 month, no more. But the real target is around here, okay, where we have 0.035, so 80% of gain over the next month. So now if we switch to the weekly view, as you can see here, we have a spike in volume. Okay, here we have the supportive area with a fake breakout below the supporting area. So again, like I've been stating, I've been teaching you over the time, once we see a fake breakout and then we see volumes coming in place, we should be expecting a strong retrace. As well, here is very clear. We have this area, okay, 004. We might see 004 really soon. So guys, I'm very bullish right now. Since 2018, I've been quite bearish on cryptocurrencies. I've been predicting all the main movements for Bitcoin. I was stating that 20K would have been the all-time high for that period, and then I've been predicting the retrace till 14, then again 17, and then back to 4,000 US dollar, analyzing the cycles and using the 5 Elliott waves and the retrace. So let's say it was a mix of technical analysis and luckiness, but in this case I'm very bullish, extremely bullish. I do believe we have space for a strong run up till at least March, April 2021. Thank you guys.